Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to receive digital donations. You can do this on websites like Gumroad, and I will leave the link down in the description below. And I will also leave the link to the video I created here on the channel a while back, so you can really explore how much money we made from Gumroad donations. But basically how it works, you offer something for free, but you give people the option to donate if they want to. So some people are going to download it for free, but some people are going to give you $1 or $2 just as an appreciation for what you have provided to them. Now, the bigger the thing is, the more there is the chance of somebody giving you the value. So let me give you an example. We have image pack on our website, which is completely free, and I think it has something like 200 images inside of that pack. So people are really appreciating the value they're getting for free, and they're simply going to leave us donations. The more people you're able to attract to your offer, which is free in this case, the bigger the chances are you're going to actually get the donations, and the bigger the chances are you're going to get a huge number of these donations just because you're attracting vast amounts of people to that particular offer. So this can really spiral up over time, and you don't really have to expect this, and you cannot really expect this to be valuable for you overnight, but it's going to compound over time and it's going to bring you more and more value, especially for the products like that particular product we are going to update over time. So we have started with 100 images, then 120, then 150, then 200, and sometimes in the future perhaps I can update it to be 500 images. Then it's going to be bigger and bigger and bigger because it's free. The more I promote that product, the more I share it on social media, on Behance, on Dribbble, in my email list and stuff like that, the bigger the chances there are of people donating. So make sure, if you are doing this route, make sure to give people enough value so they appreciate what they've gotten from you, and they're going to leave you with the tip either on Gumroad, or you can integrate PayPal if you want to. But once again, because I really like Gumroad and I really believe in it, and I'm using it, for example, for the last I think 7 years or something like that, so they have really been close to my heart and to my business, so I would always recommend them over something else. But basically receive digital donations to what you have already created, what you have invested your time in the first place, but make sure it's nothing too premium like our images are, for example, because those are just some images that we shoot over time, and we included it in a package and give them away for free, and people really appreciate them and give us these digital donations. So get started today. Make sure to see what you can put inside of these packages. Make sure to promote these packages, but don't have too many, because once again, same thing like with the digital bundles. If you watch that video, people are just going to see you as somebody who is heavily discounting or giving stuff away for free all of the time. Make sure to strike a fine balance between charging people for money and giving this stuff away for free, because you don't want to attract wrong audience to your products, audience who is just there to get stuff for free, or audience who is just used to paying for stuff, and then when they see this free stuff they're going to be upset about it. So make sure to see where this balance is between free and paid, and make sure to test it out over time, because it's going to take you a lot of time in order for this to work, but once it does, once again, it's going to bring you a lot of money in the future. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.